ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. ADHD is not a lack of attention. It is a deficit in the brain's ability to filter and regulate attention. Imagine your brain as a broadcast tower receiving thousands of signals simultaneously without a robust filtering mechanism. There is often a struggle with dopamine regulation, meaning the ADHD brain constantly seeks novelty and high stimulation to get its dopamine hit, making mundane tasks incredibly difficult. For the executor, ADHD manifests as initiation block and the hyperfocus trap, where you get absorbed in non-priority tasks while neglecting everything else. Since the internal filtering system is compromised, the solution lies in building robust external scaffolding. Use the body doubling protocol. For tasks you dread, work alongside someone else, even if they are doing something different. The mere presence of another person provides an unconscious sense of accountability and reduces the mental barrier to starting. Combine this with time boxing. Allocate specific short blocks of 25 minutes for a single task using the Pomodoro technique. Next, implement the externalized brain. Your working memory is a sieve, so do not rely on it. Implement a single reliable capture system for all ideas and tasks, like a digital task manager. Finally, use strategic dopamine stacking. Pair an undesirable task with a desirable one, like listening to your favorite podcast only while doing laundry. This manipulates your brain's reward pathways, making tasks less about willpower and more about strategically created motivation. ADHD is like a powerful engine with a leaky fuel line. Your goal is to build external containment systems and patch the leaks. Description: in today's deep dive, we expose why relying on motivation is the primary reason people fail to reach their goals. We break down the biological unreliability of feeling like doing the work and provide the blueprint for building systems of discipline that function regardless of your mood. Learn how to transform from a reactive dreamer into a proactive executor by mastering the art of the machine-like grind.